Hey there, fellow preserver, Piscataway homeowners. Are you planning to sell your house and unsure where to start? Trust me, I've been there. But guess what? I specialize in helping the preservers Piscataway homeowners sell their house for the highest price possible. And I've got a free tool to start your selling process stress-free and actually very enjoyable. I want to give you my free home seller checklist, a game-changer resource that holds your hand through every step of preparing your home for the market. If you're ready to take control of your sale and attract the right buyers, then click the button below to get your hands on the free home seller checklist. My checklist is like a roadmap to selling success. It gives you clarity on your next best step so you can prepare with confidence and avoid costly mistakes I see many home sellers make. Don't let the selling stress get the best of you. Grab your free home seller checklist and let's make your selling journey confident and profitable. My name is Alfred Turner with Metro Area Development of eXp Realty here in Prince George County, and we're here to help you sell your home for every dollar possible. Click the button below and let's turn your house into a buyer's dream.